What are the possible causes for bleeding in pregnancy? What causes bleeding in pregnancy? Is it something to be worried about? What are the symptoms? Who is at risk? How can you prevent it? We'll answer all your questions in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more such informative videos. About 20% of women have some bleeding during the first 12 weeks of pregnancy. Some of it can be harmless, while other instances may require immediate attention. Bleeding later in pregnancy, in the second or the whole of the third trimester, can be worrisome. Let us learn more about the various causes for bleeding in pregnancy. During early pregnancy, excessive indulgence in sex, called the Ati Maithun or Vyavaya, might lead to bleeding as per Ayurveda. During pregnancy, the cervix is going through a major change. Pregnancy hormones may make it drier than usual and even cause the blood vessels to rupture more easily. This kind of bleeding could also occur during a physical exam. It is normal and generally resolves in a day or two. Other causes of bleeding in early pregnancy could be infections. Any infection of the cervix, vagina, or a sexually transmitted infection can cause bleeding in the first trimester. Vaginal bleeding during early pregnancy may sometimes indicate a serious problem, which may include miscarriage. Implantation bleeding is bleeding that occurs when the fertilized egg implants in the lining of the uterus. It is typically defined as a small amount of light spotting or bleeding that occurs about 10 to 14 days after conception. It is normal, yet many women are completely unaware of what it is. Some women don't experience implantation bleeding at all, while others don't notice it. During pregnancy, extra blood flow to the cervix can cause it. Intercourse or a pap test can trigger bleeding. This type of bleeding isn't a cause for concern. Pregnancy causes changes to the cervix, and this may sometimes cause bleeding after sex. Because miscarriage is most common in the first 12 weeks of pregnancy, first trimester bleeding is a cause for worry. But it doesn't mean that you're going to miscarry. In fact, if a heartbeat is spotted on ultrasound, over 90% of women with first trimester vaginal bleeding will not miscarry. An ectopic pregnancy could lead to heavy or light bleeding. That happens when the fertilized egg mistakenly attaches somewhere outside the womb. Most ectopic pregnancies are in the fallopian tubes, the connection between the ovaries and the womb. It is quite uncommon in about 2.5% of all pregnancies. If you have an ectopic pregnancy, please know there's nothing that you did to cause it. Another cause of bleeding in the first trimester is a molar pregnancy. A molar pregnancy or a mole happens when the placental tissue grows abnormally due to a genetic error during fertilization. The fetus may not grow at all. A molar pregnancy can cause a miscarriage in the first trimester, and that could lead to bright red or dark brown bleeding. Abnormal bleeding in late pregnancy may be slightly serious because it can signal a problem with the mother or the baby. Placenta previa is a condition that occurs when the placenta sits low in the uterus and partially or completely covers the opening of the birth canal. This occurs only in about 1 in 200 pregnancies. A bleeding placenta previa, which can be painless, is an emergency requiring immediate medical attention. In about 1% of pregnancies, the placenta detaches from the wall of the uterus before or during labor, and blood pools between the placenta and the uterus. Placental abruption can be very dangerous to both the mother and the baby. In rare cases, a scar from a previous C-section can tear open during pregnancy. Uterine rupture can be life-threatening and requires an emergency C-section. Vasa previa. In this very rare condition, the developing baby's blood vessels in the umbilical cord or the placenta cross the opening to the birth canal. This can be very dangerous to the baby because the blood vessels can tear open, causing the baby to bleed severely and lose oxygen. You need to see a doctor ASAP. Vaginal bleeding in late pregnancy may just be a sign that your body is getting ready to deliver. A few days or weeks before labor begins, the mucus plug that covers the opening of the uterus will pass out of the vagina, and it will usually have small amounts of blood in it. It is also known as bloody show. If bleeding and symptoms of labor begin before the 37th week of pregnancy, you might be in preterm labor, also known as premature labor. Because vaginal bleeding in any trimester can be a sign of a problem, do check with your doctor. Wear a pad so that you can keep track of how much you are bleeding and record the type of blood. Your doctor will give the recommendations to avoid the bleeding. You should expect to receive an ultrasound to identify the underlying causes. Being vigilant is all that is needed. To help you remain alert, do download the iMumz app and make your pregnancy healthier and happier.